The digital multimeter model MY67 by Mastech is designed to measure DC and AC values of up to 10 amperes, as well as alternating voltage of up to 750 volts, direct voltage of up to 1000 volts, resistance of up to 40 megaohms, and amplification factor of bipolar transistors. With the help of this device, you can also test semiconductor diodes and check circuits for continuity. The multimeter has a high input resistance of 10 megaohms and doesn't introduce any errors to measurements. This is why the device is highly accurate. The measurement units are chosen manually by turning the selector switch into right position. The measurement range is selected automatically. The gauge rods are connected to the sockets, including situated in the lower part of the device. The readings are indicated on the large LED display. The device works from a 9-volt battery. The protective case, made of soft polymer, will prevent damage to the device in case it falls or is hit. If the device isn't used for about 40 minutes, the system will automatically switch off the power supply.